Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone. Today we have some new news on the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro from Jon Prosser. He's being told that Google's committed to at least 5 years of software updates for both devices, which is absolutely great if you're looking to have these phones for a long time. He also provides us with better specs. The Pixel 6 Pro is codenamed Raven, has a screen size of 6.71 inches, a plastic OLED but made by Samsung and not LG, which is good. Rear camera is a 50 megapixel wide, and here's the thing, it's actually a 40 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom, presumably, which is great. Combined with Google's image processing, should be amazing, better than the Mi 11 Ultra in terms of zoom quality, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now the front camera is 12 megapixels. It's got an amazing battery size of 5000 mAh. The processor is Google's custom owned processor, so that with its software and the giant battery should have amazing battery life. And you'll finally get 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage option, 256 gigabytes of storage option, or 512 gigabytes of storage, which is great to have, and will come out on Android 12. Now, the screen size for the Google Pixel 6, codenamed Oriel, is 6.4 inches. It's AMOLED. It's a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, just like the Pixel 6 Pro, but without the telephoto. Unfortunately, no 3 times telephoto. An 8 megapixel main selfie camera, a Google processor again, RAM up to 8 gigabytes this time, with 128 gigabytes option or 256, which is great, and also Android 12. The battery size is 4614 mAh, which for a 6.4 inch AMOLED screen should give you amazing battery life. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and stick around for the next one. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you in the next one.